Guys, if you guys know, there is a new phone released called iPhone 11. So you guys know what we do? We have to buy them. So you know what I did? I buy them. An iPhone 11 Pro. No, it's an iPhone 11, not Pro. So guys, look at the phone. It's having a phone case. Let's check the phone case out. Wow, let me fit it. Guys, look at the phone. The phone case. Look at the holder. It's like this. Then we use it. Okay, like so on the phone, which is the moment of the truth. What in the world? We got an iPhone 11. Guys, look at this iPhone 11. You guys, no way. Like Steve Rich. Are you kidding? He got AirPods. I don't think it's AirPods, but for sure. Oh, let's check the phone out. I will keep a passcode. So this is a very nice phone, guys. So let's check what all we got. We got a small baby charger. Okay, let's remove this. No way. This is the charger. Oh, with the charger we also got a headphones. We have to charge this headphones, guys. We have to plug it to our phone, then we can hear. It's a simple thing to do. I cannot believe I buy this. It's like too expensive. Very expensive. My father was like, "You want an iPhone 11?" Yeah, he is like, I will for sure buy an iPhone 11. See, then finally he bought me an iPhone 11. So my friends are thinking like, what, you got an iPhone 11? Okay, guys, also in that we get one thing inside it. This is for the pin. You have to use it to this, and this is on phone hello and all. Apple stickers. It's one of the Apple stickers. You guys could stick this in their cars. You guys can stick it in your cars. It's gonna be amazing, guys. I cannot believe my father bought me an iPhone 11. It's too expensive. Some iPhone 11. This is iPhone 11, so it's 2,600 something, and $95, I think. Guys, no way. My father is so cool doing this, guys. So you guys can see it's in very nice iPhone 11. Let's see the flash. Also, it says it's January 3. Right now it's 2:05. I know at the night I'm doing this kind of stuff. It's 12, but I'm gonna be uploading this video like after many things. Guys, this is 3D glass here from 3D glass. Guys, iPhone 11. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Wix, because in Wix we could do everything with flipbooks. Like, you guys have a paper of art when you do like yeah, shout out. This video is sponsored by Wix. Bye, see you guys in my next video.